So let's talk about the TVs back here. Inside your black bag should receive 3 remote controls. So we've got 2 Samsung remotes that are identical and an Apple TV remote. We're going to use the Samsung remote to turn on the TV. Okay, so let's talk about how to operate this TV. On the remote, you're going to go ahead and hit the home button. That's going to pull up the menu across the bottom. We've got 3 different options as how to watch. First, we're going to go over to source. If you go up to HDMI unknown and select that as your source, whatever you have plugged into the HDMI port below the Fusion radio is going to show up on the screen. Option 2, there is a digital antenna included on this vehicle. So you're just going to go to the settings, select settings, you're going to go down to broadcasting, over to auto program, then you're going to select start, and you're going to select air. Then it's going to scan and pick up all those free live local over the air channels. Now if you do travel to a new city, you're going to have to do a new scan because channels change from town to town. The final way to watch is streaming. So it is a smart TV, it does have all the apps already built in, Netflix, Hulu, etc. All you need to do is get some kind of Wi-Fi setup. So let's talk about your Wi-Fi options. This vehicle includes a Cradlepoint router that you can activate either through Verizon or AT&T if you have service already with either one of those companies, or you could contact StepCG. That's the company that installed the SIM cards in the router itself. Once you get that set up, all you're going to do is go down to settings, select settings, go to general, go down to network, open network settings, select wireless, and then it's going to scan. If you want to use the Cradlepoint router, it's going to show up as IBR 600C. You could also use your phone as a Wi-Fi hotspot. Then the name of your phone is going to show up here as a Wi-Fi option. Put in your password, then you've got Wi-Fi access. Okay, so let's talk about the rear TV. You're going to use the other Samsung remote to turn it on. It has the exact same features as the front TV. As we mentioned on the front, you can have it on either the digital antenna channels, you can access through the HDMI port, or you could pick up any streaming channel as long as you have the Wi-Fi set up. The only difference between the two is going to be your audio. So to get audio on the rear television, you're going to use the wireless headphones. So those headphones have a switch that go from channel A to channel B. Channel A is this front TV by the partition wall. Channel B is the rear TV back here by the J Lounge.